When a remanufacturer gets back a core, they have to work with whatever they get. With Edelmann Elite hard parts, we actually design our product better from the start. Hi, I'm Evan Bauer. Today I'm going to speak about new Edelmann Elite hard parts and how we overcome original equipment design flaws as well as eliminate known issues with aging reman cores that produce high warranty returns. With industry-wide warranties on pumps, racks, and gears exceeding 15%, it's time to dive deep into what is causing it and how Edelmann can help solve it for you, your customers, and the industry. First off, from time to time, original equipment makes improvements to known issues causing premature failures and even recalls. The changes look subtle on the outside. The newer vehicle part may even look the same and fit the same as previous models, but it's the changes on the inside that make the difference. When a remanufacturer gets back one of these older, earlier version cores, they have to work with whatever they get. With Edelmann Elite hard parts, we actually design our products better from the start, with the latest OE designs and improvements. When you open the box of a remanufactured finished good, do you know what OE iteration it is? The answer is no, you just can't tell. Next, let's talk about aging cores. Everything degrades over time, and cores being rebuilt today are no exception. With the average power steering application fitting vehicles that are 12 to 15 years old, the age, integrity, and quality of the remanufactured core is just not the same as new. New Edelmann Elite power steering hard parts eliminate these quality issues caused by aging cores. When you look at a remanufactured finished good, can you tell how many times it's gone through the reman process? How many past reman lives it's had? The short answer is no, you can't tell. Now let's talk about some specifics, starting with racks. Since we own our own tooling, we can enhance the design of our parts and not be dependent on OE design flaws. And when OE makes an improvement, we can provide the latest version that may have taken years of fine-tuning. We can also provide improvements like removing external vent tubes and integrate the venting internal to the redesigned rack. Remanufacturers aren't able to do this because the cores they get back have to be rebuilt to the same design specification. That means external vent tubes that can be damaged remain, well, external. They can be damaged in shipping during installation or just due to regular wear and tear during driving. Next, our power steering pumps, where applicable, come complete, ready for installation. Whether it's pulleys or pipes or reservoirs, we have you covered. And you will always get the latest OE revision and improvement. Last, let's talk about steering gears. There have been lots of improvements and redesigns over the years. Take this Ford steering gear that fits a 97 to 05 Ford pickup and Excursion. This is a known OE problem, and the newest core is already 15 years old. Here's an image of a very worn and scarred shaft that reman is unable to overcome. Combine that with an OE piston where the design was undersized and the seal designs that are very outdated. With Edelmann Elite, you will get the latest designs and improvements built to perform for years to come. Does any technician want to risk installing this gear for a second time? Does any shop owner want to risk his good name, hoping there are design improvements built into the product, but not being sure there actually is? Combine all of this with Edelmann's DNA advantage, and it's clear to see why all our new power steering hard part products come with our 100-year, 1,000,000-mile warranty. So whether it's OE improvements, eliminating the effects of worn-out cores, or better designs from the start, we are excited about the future of power steering. When you open an Edelmann box, you can be assured that you are getting the highest quality power steering product in the aftermarket. As we say, Plews and Edelmann supplies you and your customer confidence in every part. Thanks for listening.